Hello, this is our project for MHacks called VibeDB. So to give a little context for this project, whenever I first started working on database projects, I had absolutely no knowledge of SQL. Documentation for it was really unclear and services were confusing to set up. And even beginner-friendly platforms such as Supabase, for example, didn't really provide the level of abstraction I needed in order to create databases for my projects. And I knew that I wasn't the only person who really struggled with this. There are lots of developers out there who are more front-end oriented, who don't really have that deep knowledge of back-end development. And there's also a lot of developers who out there who are just looking for a faster way to implement their back-end. And all these shared experiences between me and my team inspired us to create VibeDB. So what is VibeDB? So VibeDB is a platform that simply allows users a pipeline in order to seamlessly create databases without writing a single line of SQL code. The way it works is pretty straightforward, and I'm going to demonstrate it right now. On this demonstration, we're going to first describe our project to VibeDB. So in this project, for example, I want a project that tracks flowers and their growth. So I'll just say, I want you to generate an SQL schema for flowers and their growth. Include relevant data in the table rows. So we submit this, and then immediately, based off the prompt, VibeDB will infer what you want and generate tables. So if these tables aren't to your liking, then the visual editor allows you to easily just remove or add a column if you so please. Growth ID. So once you're done setting up all your tables that you want for your schema, all you have to do is just click this button on the corner called Generate SQL. So it says SQL generated and copied to clipboard. So what that does is it extracts the code for the SQL scheme onto your clipboard. And now all you have to do is just copy paste to any service you're using, whether it be Supabase, PG Admin, SQL Notebook, and yeah, you can run your queries. So in this example, I'm using Supabase. I have a Supabase project right here. So there's no tables over here in our table editor. So all we can do is just copy paste what we got, run it, success, no rows returned, and yeah, in our database we have the tables that we created with VibeDB, and we made this with absolutely no SQL code at all. We didn't have to write a single line. We believe that this really does fill in a gap and can help developers one day in the future create backends a lot faster and streamline the whole process. Thank you so much for watching our demo vid, and have a great day.